UPS 798 Heavy, contact departure, good morning.
Alright, over departure UPS 798 Heavy, see ya. At departure UPS 798 Heavy's 2,600 for 5,000. We got a gear problem, so if you could stick us at 5,000 and we get it sorted out.
UPS 798 Heavy, low departure, radar contact, maintain 5,000. And do you want to continue on your route, or do you want to hang around here?
We'll probably hang around here for UPS 798 Heavy at 5,000.
UPS 798 Heavy, roger, turn left heading 270 for now.
Alright, 270 heading UPS 798 Heavy.
At departure UPS 1270 Heavy with you 2,000 for 5,000.
UPS 1270 Heavy, low departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Up to 10,000, UPS 1270 Heavy.
UPS 1270 Heavy, turn right direct to Lexington.
Right turn direct Lexington, UPS 1270 Heavy.
UPS 1270 Heavy, contact Indy Center 124.77, see ya.
And 2477 UPS 1270 Heavy, so long.
UPS 1084 Heavy, turn right direct Cincinnati.
Alright, turn Cincinnati UPS 74 Heavy, thanks.
UPS 798 Heavy, turn left heading 170.
170 heading UPS 798 Heavy.
How's it looking?
We're getting call company right now.
Roger.
Departure EPS 606 Heavy with you out of 2.25.
UPS 1220 Heavy, contact Indy Center 124.77.
Indy 124.77, have a good day, UPS 1220.
UPS 606 Heavy, low departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000.
Roger, climb maintain 10,000, UPS 606 Heavy.
UPS 798 Heavy, turn right heading 270.
Right turn heading at 270 UPS 798 Heavy.
UPS 662 Heavy, turn left direct to Elio.
Let's turn direct Elio, UPS 662 Heavy.
UPS 798 Heavy, do you just want to hold over Mystic, or do you want to just be boxed around by me?
I'm sorry, say that again, it's just loud in here.
No problem. Do you want to hold north of Mystic, or do you want me to just vector you around?
Stand by. For UPS 798.
Say again, 798?
Yeah, we could just leave us on some kind of a vector, that'd be fine for UPS 798.
No problem, whatever's easier for you.
Thank you, sir.
UPS 662 Heavy, contact Indy Center 121.17.
12117 UPS 662 Heavy.
UPS 798 Heavy, turn right heading 360.
Alright, 360 heading UPS 798. And UPS 798 Heavy?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Hey, we can't get the gear up, so we're going to have to head back to Louisville.
UPS 798 Heavy, roger. Clear to Louisville International via radar vectors, turn right heading 130.
Alright, back to the airport radar vectors, heading at 130 UPS 798 Heavy.
You need any assistance?
Nah, we'll be fine, it's just going to be loud and obnoxious.
Roger.
Sounds like my wife.
UPS 504 Heavy, proceed direct Terre-Haute when able.
Direct Terre-Haute when able, UPS 504, thanks.
UPS 798 Heavy, do you know which ramp you're going to go to?
Negative.
If you can find that out, let me know. We'll start with 35 left. Some better odds for that side, I guess.
Okay, plan for 35 left for now. We'll let you know. UPS 798 Heavy, thanks.
UPS 798 Heavy, Delta is still current for international.
Roger, that's what we got. Thank you.
UPS 798 Heavy, send to maintain 3,000. UPS 798 Heavy, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000 UPS 798 Heavy.
UPS 488 Heavy, turn right direct Cincinnati.
Right direct Cincinnati, UPS 488 Heavy.
UPS 798 Heavy, turn left heading 080.
080 UPS 798 Heavy.
UPS 340 Heavy, turn left heading 230.
Heading 230 for UPS 340 Heavy, thanks. And UPS 798 Heavy be ramp 9.
Roger.
Departure UPS 796 out of 1.8, climbing 5,000, runway heading.
UPS UPS 798 Heavy, turn left heading 020, join the 35 left localizer.
020 heading, join 35 left loc, UPS 798 Heavy.
UPS 796, full departure radar contact, climb maintain 10,000.
010,000, UPS 796.
UPS 798 Heavy, you're 5 miles from Cardinal, maintain 3,000 till steps, no localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 left approach.
3,000 till steps, cleared ILS 35 left, UPS 798 Heavy.
UPS 798 Heavy, contact tower 124.2, good night.
124.2, UPS 798 Heavy, thanks for your help. Ground UPS, tower UPS 798 Heavy is on ILS 35 left.
UPS 798 Heavy, low tower 35 left, clear line traffic and division, Heavy 747, talk to me, Colonel.
35 left, clear to land, UPS 798 Heavy.